How to add Instagram link to your TikTok. To add a social media account to your TikTok profile, you may follow up these steps. So open up TikTok application on your particular device where you would like to add it. So log in into your profile from TikTok. Once you are here, go to your bottom right corner in the profile. Tap on your profile icon and it opens up the profile on your screen like this right here. Now you can tap on the edit profile option directly from this profile page. Tap on edit and the edit profile option appears on your screen, including the option to add up links in your bio. So right under bio, you should be finding option called links. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will give you two options to add your Instagram and your YouTube. So tap on Instagram. And once you tap on Instagram, it will take you to the browser or another page where you can use your credentials right here and tap your username, email address, or mobile number. After that, your password and tap on login and confirm it. Go with the verification process. And once you complete the login steps, the social media account will be linked to your TikTok. And that's it. So if you'd also like to add up your Instagram link to your TikTok, you may follow up these steps in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.